How to print specific pages and sections in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and click on File at the top. On the left side, you'll find Print. Click on Print. After you've selected Print, you'll find Pages. To add specific pages, simply type in a number, comma, and another number, and so on. And to add section, you can simply add ranges like 2 to 5. After you've done that, at the top, select the copies, how many you want, and simply press on Print to print it. This is how to print specific pages and sections in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.